So, hello everyone. It is a great challenge to be the one standing between you and lunch. So I hope I will be able to, satisfy your intellectual interest at least. Today I want to speak about Atidot and how you can use analytics and data to extract value from an existing life insurance book of business. Let me just make sure that I operate this properly. Okay, so first, the relevant folks, myself, PERLSON. I'm the general manager for the UK, ex-McKinsey, and my colleague Dario over there, standing over there, 30 years with Swiss Re, extremely knowledgeable about the insurance industry. A few words about the founders of the company and why this is so important. Unlike many other companies that are doing data and analytics around insurance, our company was set up from day one in its DNA by a life actuary and a data scientist team. So the life actuary is Asaf Mizan, which was the chief actuary of the Ministry of Finance in Israel. And the two co-founders are two data scientists that received their degrees in mathematics and physics through special university programs at very young ages and have been working on practical defense and intelligence related projects from a very young age. In addition, we have as our chairman, Mr. Oded Sarig, who was the former governor of insurance in Israel and the former chairman of Migdal in Israel, the largest insurance company. Martin Snow, a 30-year life actuary based in the US, and Valerie Dupré, an actuary in the UK. The company was set up in 2016. We have offices in Tel Aviv, Switzerland, London, and US. Now, what do we actually do? So the typical life journey. Let's take myself, for example. I started my career in a law firm after university. So a nice man came to my office, I signed some forms, and I had life insurance and health insurance, and everything was fantastic. After 5 years, I decided I want to spread my wings, as the brochure said, and I left the law firm and went to do an MBA at INSEAD in a different country, in France, in Fontainebleau, and completely changing my profession. Now, of course, I had to fill up some forms to inform the insurance companies that I'm doing it. So they knew about it, but no one ever considered contacting me. After INSEAD, I moved to London, joined McKinsey. Cigna came in. Again, the same process, forms, everything is data. After 5 years, I left. Nobody contacted me. Now, you could consider that a guy from INSEAD and McKinsey, I mean, the profile should have flagged someone, some system, it should be a good customer. But basically, the touch points around life insurance basically do not exist. You have one touch point at the beginning and that's it. And what we are saying is basically that in this day and age, this is an unacceptable situation. What we are saying is that consumers are getting used to the Amazon-like experience, the experience which is driven by look-alike cohorts, by recommendations for people like yourself at this point in time, usually purchase this and that together. And why is Amazon able to do this? Amazon is able to do this because it has data. Okay. You have data as well. So basically, The defense, the moat around the carrier castle is the data that all the challengers and all the startups and all the insurtechs don't have. You have 30, 40, 100, 150 years of data about customers. You know everything about them, but it's extremely difficult to actually tap into that and generate valuable business insights. Willis Tower Watson, 90% of life insurance do not actively use big data. So this is 2016, might have slightly improved, but this is generally the situation. What Atidot is building is the life insurance data cloud. It can be also life insurance on-prem, okay? Let's solve that from the beginning. It can be on-prem as well. We are focusing on your life insurance, doing big data and predictive analytics, and providing you insights into your existing book of business. And as we all know, it is much more effective economically to drive more business from your existing clients than to recruit a new client. We are able to gather the abundance of data which is in your systems, together augmenting it with external data, and bringing it all together to generate valuable insights. I will not go in details into this, but the presentation will be distributed. And if you press on these links, you will see some of our tools. Basically, we have a data tool which automatically normalizes very messy data sets. So something that would usually have taken 3, 6, 9 months of an internal data science project or a Deloitte, McKinsey, Accenture project, we do automatically. We have written a proprietary domain-specific insurance language, which means you can write the queries with the terms of insurance, which reduces the error level to almost 0. And we have a layer of predictive algorithms which are specifically tailored to insurance use cases, such as lapsation, premium persistency, underinsurance, and a few others. What we provide for most is clarity and insights into your existing book of business in a matter of weeks, no matter how big and how messy the data is and in how many systems it exists, and tangible, actionable use cases, generating personalized leads to you, can connect to any other system. This customer, Mr. Joe, is underinsured. Why is he underinsured? Because in comparison to his relevant cohort, this is what he should have, for example. Or this customer is about to churn, and this is the activity you should do in order to prevent him churning. As I said, specific solution for life insurance, using internal and external data, and our models are trained on life insurance data continuously. We are just here outside the door. We have a POC offering, and if you would like to hear about this, we are very welcome to speak with us. Thank you.